Want to know how to build a real online business without getting lost in complicated strategies? I'm going to share a powerful model that's working right now, and I'll break it down so simply that you can start thinking about it today. Forget everything you've heard about needing to be a famous influencer or a tech genius. This is different. This is about being genuinely helpful. The model is called educational affiliation plus simple content. It sounds a bit formal, but it's incredibly straightforward. It works in 4 simple steps. First, you grab someone's attention, not with clickbait, but with a genuinely interesting piece of short content. Think about a quick tip, a surprising fact, or a common mistake people make in a topic you know about. Second, you educate them. Once you have their attention, you provide clear, valuable information. You're not selling anything at this stage. You're teaching, you're answering a question they have. This is where you start to become a trusted source, not just another face on their feed. Third, you build trust. This happens naturally as you continue to share helpful, educational content. When people see that you consistently provide value without asking for anything in return, they start to trust your judgment and your expertise. Trust is the most valuable currency online, and you earn it by being generous with your knowledge. And finally, the 4th step, you recommend a useful resource. This is the affiliation part. After you've built that foundation of trust, you can recommend a product, a course, a tool, or a service that you genuinely believe will help your audience. Because they trust you, they'll be much more likely to check it out. Notice how selling is the very last step, not the first. That's the key. Now, you might be wondering, what's the best platform for this? For the simple content part, YouTube Shorts is an absolute game changer. Here's why it's so perfect for this model. First, you don't need to make long, heavily edited videos. A 30 to 60-second clip is all you need. This removes a massive barrier for so many people who are intimidated by long-form content creation. Second, you don't need to be famous or have a huge following to get started. The YouTube Shorts algorithm is designed to push out good content to new audiences, regardless of how many subscribers you have. Your videos' quality and value are what matter most. This gives everyone a fair shot at getting seen. And third, you only need to explain one single idea per video. This makes content creation so much easier. You don't have to cram everything you know into one epic video. Just take one small concept, one tip, one idea, and explain it clearly. This focused approach is not only easier for you, but it's also much more digestible for your audience. You can create a whole library of helpful micro-lessons over time. So, where does artificial intelligence fit into all of this? This is a crucial point that many people get wrong. AI is not going to run the business for you. It's not a magic button that creates a passive income stream while you sleep. Thinking that way is a recipe for failure. Instead, think of AI as the most powerful assistant you've ever had. It's here to help you, not replace you. For example, AI can help you organize your ideas. You can brainstorm a list of topics, and AI can help you structure them into a content calendar. It can take your main idea for a video and suggest several different angles or hooks to make it more engaging. AI is also incredible for helping you create scripts. If you know what you want to say but struggle to find the right words, you can give AI your core points, and it can help you write a natural-sounding script. This saves a massive amount of time and helps you overcome writer's block. And that leads to the biggest benefits: saving time and maintaining consistency. AI can speed up your research, your writing, and your planning, allowing you to produce high-quality content more consistently. And consistency, as we know, is absolutely critical for building an audience and establishing trust. But remember this, and it's the most important takeaway: You are always in charge. You are the CEO of your brand. AI is your intern, your assistant, your creative partner. It provides suggestions, but you make the final decisions. You provide the unique perspective, the personal stories, and the genuine expertise. AI can't replicate your personality or your lived experiences. That's your unique selling proposition. If you truly understand this relationship, that AI is a tool to be leveraged, not a crutch to be relied on, you are already miles ahead of 80% of people trying to make things work online. They're either ignoring AI completely or they're expecting it to do all the work for them. The winning strategy lies right in the middle. A smart partnership between your human intelligence and artificial intelligence. So, to recap, the model is educational affiliation plus simple content. You attract, educate, build trust, and then recommend. The best platform to start is YouTube Shorts, because the videos are short, you don't need to be famous, and you focus on one idea at a time. And your secret weapon is AI, used as a powerful assistant to help you organize, write, and stay consistent. You are the director, and AI is your crew. Start thinking about what you know. What problem can you solve for someone else? What little piece of knowledge can you share? That's the seed for your entire online business. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward strategies to help you grow. See you in the next one.